Valentine. Yan, hawa nyo rin. Nakakita ko.
Thank you very much.
That we also take recognition and diversity, and it is evident, right? And I hope also each one of us will continue to share and tradition. And with that in mind, let us proceed of judging, starting with the minor awards.
Taking your breath, still in your mind, and all what's will is left behind. This song, this moment that you opened up, your favorite, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feelings taking over.